Hey guys, Sajja here. In the previous video, we went through the key elements of every website, and the key elements are, just your different pages and the different sections that you have. If this is familiar to you because of the previous video, so I thought, how do we take this to the next step? And part of that is actually visualizing this piece of text into some sort of image, and the process of doing that is creating a low fidelity wireframe. Low fidelity just kind of means something that's not too concrete, something that's loose, and it's something that's kind of going to shape how you look at how you build out your website. So I did a lot of this work beforehand, and I'll kind of just take you through what that is. So never mind this section, this kind of just details everything. For the purpose of this video, I'm just going to take you through the landing page and the different sections in the landing page. So at the very top, you just have your links, or and you have a hero section just below that. You have a headline, a description, and you have a call to action. So to get people to either buy or contact you. Followed by that, you have your social proof. This is where you can show off your trusted by or partners and things like that. Right below that is your key features or key benefits, and that's probably like an image, a heading, description, and a button which is like a call to action for the visitor to do something. Then just below that you have your social proof, which is a testimony to convince the visitor of your website to actually do something. And what ties that up is your call to action, which is just a headline, and a description, and a button. So just in case that was too quick, I'll kind of just show you what the end output is. I'm using a program called Figma, and I'm by no means a designer, so please don't critique me on that because I don't, And so you just have a hero section, your social proof, you have your key features, your testimonies again, and then your call to action. So this is typically the bare minimum of what you should have in a landing page. So articulate, because this is above the fold. So I'll actually show you what I mean by above the fold. If I run this in a prototype, so above the fold means the vertical height of your website as soon as someone lands onto it is this, before they scroll or go anywhere else within your page. This is what it is. So this is the hero section or above the fold, and this is literally your sort of 5 seconds, 3 seconds to capture someone's attention. So use a very powerful headline, describe what your business is doing or who you are, whatever this website is that you're building out, and have a call to action immediately, just in case this person knows what they want to do. Right below that, you want to have sort of a highlight reel of either your customer or your partners or your suppliers, something that's like a big name, or trusted by section, just like we went through in the previous video. And you just want to have those logos or faces over here. The next section is your sort of key features or your key benefits, depending on the type of website you're building. Again, this layout is just something I pulled out just from scratch right now. You don't have to have it the way I've done it. This is two columns, but you can have it as a row. You can have one column entirely, and others just below that. You can pretty much flip these things around. The whole point of this video is to understand sort of the structure, and why this is important. So once your visitor knows, the key benefits, kind of re-emphasize that with some um, uh, human sentiments. So this is an example of someone who's sort of reinforcing what you did for them. You saved their lives, or you provided stunning support and things like that. So this kind of, you know, uh, convinces the person to, the visitor of your website, to actually take an action, and you want that person to take that action right after, and that's why you have a call to action, and you want to have a headline similar to your hero, and just describe, okay, cool, you've come to the end, just kind of recap everything they've seen, and just give them a call to action button. And that could be like a contact us, or um, get started, or buy my product, that kind of thing. So the benefit of doing a low fidelity wireframe is you now visualize what it is that you want to build. Your customer has an idea of what it is that you're going to build. If you're using a developer, they kind of know what they need to do. And so everyone sort of wins, and this is, going to help you out in the long run. So yeah, guys, that's sort of how I take the key elements and visualize that. And I hope this was useful. Cool. If you have any questions, just drop a comment. Thanks.